Welcome to the channel, guys. We've got a special NFT project to talk about today. It's called Homaland. Homaland is a very unique NFT. In today's video, I'm going to go in great detail and give you the breakdown of what this NFT is about and why this is one of the most sought out NFT in the NFT industry right now. The first impression that you get of this NFT is quite unique. They say we unite hamsters from all over the world to fight back the impudent whales. We will equip our hamsters with everything they need, from crypto spells and nuts. You can join their Discord by clicking on this button over here and getting over to the Discord and joining it. Basically, guys, if you want to get reliable information about any NFT and this NFT in particular, you gotta join their Discords. They're available on Twitter, they're available on Discord, they're available on Instagram as well as OpenSea. So all these platforms are available. Now, the main idea is that Homaland is a small universe where hamsters live their big lives. Every hamster is playing its part in this world. Everyone is standing guard over the city. Someone is going nuts. Someone is spinning the wheel to get energy. Someone is looking for treasures, but they all have one thing in common. They protect and help each other. Now, they have created an ideology, they've created a universe where they are concentrating on hamsters and developing the NFT universe around these hamsters. So basically, they are uniquely generated hamsters with over 200 plus unique characters and traits. The community, which is one of the most important elements in Homaland, is the fact that the most valuable part of Homaland, whose goal is to support and develop each other and create a DAO where the voice of each hamster matters. And minting these sweet critters makes you a digital pet owner. After all, every holder of Homaland NFT receives various perks and benefits. There is a token for it as well. As they create their own ecosystem around the metaverse, they plan to issue a token earned by all the holders in Homaland NFT. It will be integrated as a currency to buy additional goods such as physical items or in-game currency. The main idea that they have developed is quite unique, and I've not come across a project of this nature till now that understands the dynamics by which they're developing their strategy. They're creating a universe around a pet ideology, and they're doing it in such a manner that it gives a emotional connection to the NFT holders, and each hamsters will have certain skills. Someone will earn nuts faster, someone will pass the levels faster, and someone will have special hamster magic. Owning a hamster will bring in some nuts in the future. Owners will have the right to vote in the Homaland and will be able to claim unique items as the metaverse evolves. And obviously the roadmap, which is one of the most important documents that any NFT project needs to have. And anyone that has a successful roadmap will actually understand how they can develop their project, how they can take their project to the next level. With this particular roadmap, what I love about it, it is very clear and is very direct. It is telling you and showing everyone what it has achieved and what it's planning to achieve. With the first collection that was handmade and sold 100% ad-free, over 200 unique layers were rendered for the next generation's collections. More than that, they've collected a large investment pool for the project marketing. They've placed the largest NFT platforms and collaborated with bloggers and other collections. Hamsters will be everywhere. So the strategy that they're using and the strategy that they're implementing is where they're collecting all the different bloggers and collections to come to one place where they can actually work together. They will select only the most deserving to visit the Homaland Club, and only those hamsters who spin the wheel of the project on par with all the others are deserving to get whitelisted. And you can mint NFTs and nobody knows which hamsters he will get. So someone might be very lucky. And I feel the fact that they have kept it with that mentality and kept it with that strategy that everyone is equal. There's no one that gets a higher level of privilege than someone else, and I feel this particular project has achieved that successfully. There's a lot of projects. I've done a lot of reviews and overviews of different NFT projects and play to earn games, and majority of them are obviously, they're different with different ideology and strategies, but I feel the best strategy is keeping everyone on a fair playing platform. We're creating an alpha channel for our holders who are interested in NFT cryptography and want to get whitelist and knowledge about the whole crypto world. So this is something something quite unique which no other NFT project has done. As part of the income that is invested in the game, in which people can earn liquid nuts tokens, and in which these tokens can be exchanged for real knowledge about the crypto world and launch of the game. So there's obviously different methodologies, there's different ways of earning tokens and using your NFT to earn. Basically, there's a lot of projects that just have an NFT and there's nothing much you can do about it. But when you have a project where they can stake those NFTs, where they can use their NFTs in the games and actually earn tokens based on those NFTs, that NFT project is worth investing in, because you're not investing just your money, but you're always also investing your time, so that you can get hold of the TGE and place nut tokens on a large decentralized platform where hamsters can get richer before our own eyes. And the team, which is one of the most important elements in any successful project, either it be Bored Ape Yacht Club, either it be Meta Avatar, either it be Beans or Invisible Friends. These are obviously big names in the NFT industry, but when you have a team of this caliber, from the CEO, from the tech group, from the marketing experts, the artist, the head of design, and the head of community, you have individuals that have a lot of experience under their belt. You have individuals that understand what the crypto space is about, and obviously how they need to scale that crypto space, and how can they actually develop successful strategies, implement and execute those strategies successfully in order to scale their projects to new heights. Now, one of the major questions a lot of people ask is that when is going to be the mint? Obviously, this is to be determined. What is going to be priced? This is to be determined as well. And the main place to get those information is the Discord. So head over to the Discord, join their Discord, because the Discord is the place that you get reliable information about this particular NFT. You can do 2 per transaction for 4 max per wallet, and they are on the Ethereum blockchain. Guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always message me in the comment section below on Facebook or on Instagram or on YouTube, and I'll definitely reply back to you. I want to show you their Twitter. Their Twitter is very interesting, and obviously the Twitter has a lot of information on it which you need to follow. The Twitter is the place that you get the most information about. The Twitter has 2,503 followers. As I scroll down, you can see the amount of information they have on their Twitter. And obviously, if you want to know and find a successful NFT project, you need to go and check their Twitter out. If a project is regularly giving updates in regards to what is happening on the project, about the project, that is an NFT worth investing your time and your money in. Remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and never invest more than you're willing to lose. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share these videos with your friends and your family on Facebook and WhatsApp, so more people can find out about Homaland and actually get a chance to invest in something successful. Until our next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.